Welcome to the full course online. In this video we will explore PowerPoint interface. When you first open PowerPoint, you'll see the start screen where you can choose a blank presentation or a ready-made template. After selecting a blank presentation, you'll arrive at the PowerPoint workspace. Let's explore what's on the screen. At the very top, we have the title bar showing the name of your file. Below that is the ribbon. The ribbon contains tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View. Each tab has groups of related commands. On the left side, you'll see the Slides pane. This shows thumbnails of your slides. In the center, we have the Slide area, where you design and edit your slide. At the bottom, you'll find the Notes pane, where you can write notes for your presentation. And finally, at the very bottom right corner, there are view controls and the zoom slider. Understanding this interface is the foundation. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a new presentation.